Hello and welcome back to my channel, Travelsbymiika. Today we're taking an unusual train trip in the Shan Hills of Myanmar, so let's go and take a ride. Hello from Kalaw station here in Myanmar. Behind me we have a maintenance vehicle which I've hired out for private use. So let's go and take a ride. This trip isn't my usual type of train trip, but I do enjoy looking for the more unique train journey opportunities in this world. So I hope you can come along with me for this ride and let me know in the comments afterwards what you thought of it. Before we depart Kalaw, I'm going to show you around this railway maintenance vehicle. First of all, here we have the driver's cab. The maintenance vehicle has been converted to carry passengers with a maximum seated capacity of 20. It is available for private hire with bookings made through the station manager at Kalaw station. The cost is $30 for about 1.5 hours. As it's private hire, the hirer can decide if they would like the train to travel towards Aungpan or towards Scenic. The group I was with asked the driver to go towards Aungpan, which was perfect for me as the following day I was catching a passenger train to Scenic. Because the track winds through the hills, the track curvature is very tight, resulting in a lot of squealing sounds from the train wheels. The track is also very uneven, so it's a bumpy and squealing ride. The driver will stop the train anywhere you ask. And of course, everyone will want a photo with the train. At Aungpan station, you'll find a serviceable steam locomotive which can also be hired for private use. And on the way back to Kalaw, you get to experience a driver's perspective of the track. So here's a few details about this maintenance train that you can rent from Kalaw station. It's about $30 for a 2-hour trip. It does fit 20 people on it, but you can privately rent it as well. So if you are in the region, in Kalaw, why not go and take a ride on it? Of course, if you can find a few people to share the trip with, ask around at Kalaw station, it will certainly save you some money. So I've arrived back to Kalaw station. Hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did, and I'll see you on the next video. If you would like to follow my challenge of visiting every country with a passenger train, please do remember to press that subscribe button.